This is the tower installation tutorial for Online S Premium UPS series. This installation tutorial applies to all 5U models of Online S Premium UPS series. Important notice. Before installation, please read the safety precautions that can be found in the user's manual, quick start guide, and/or other related documents. To start, prepare the following items, which come with the UPS unit. In addition, you will also need to prepare other accessories and tools before the installation. First, stand the UPS on its left side. Fix the rack mount ears onto the bottom of the UPS, using 4 flat head screws to serve as stands. Next, insert 8 dust covers into the open screw holes to prevent dust from entering the unit. Lift the LCD module manually and rotate it by 90 degrees clockwise. To connect the UPS to the Maintenance Bypass Power Distribution Unit, known as MBP, use the UPS input and output cables. First, insert the blue and gray UPS input-output cables through the cable gland and connect them to the input-output terminal blocks of the UPS. Install the terminal block cover with the UPS input-output cables onto the UPS, using the 2 round head screws. Connect the UPS input-output cables to the UPS input-output connectors of the MBP. Before connecting to the utility, make sure the UPS input breaker is off. Then, insert the input terminal block power cord through the cable gland and connect it to the input terminal blocks of the MBP. Install the terminal block cover with the input power cord onto the MBP, using the 2 round head screws. Tighten the sealing nuts to secure the power cord and connect it to the utility grid. If the MBP is not connected to the UPS, insert the input terminal block power cord through the cable gland and connect the power cord to the input terminal blocks of the UPS. Install the terminal block cover with the input power cord onto the UPS, using the 2 round head screws. Connect the power cord to the utility grid. Then, turn on the UPS input breaker. The LCD of the UPS will turn on and show standby mode. Finally, to complete the installation, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, and press the enter button to turn on the UPS. The UPS will run a self-test, which may take a few seconds. Then it will transfer to line mode and be ready for use.